In case you use Inhand and Genmega and you process through Switchcommer, this video is for you. So this is a step-by-step guide on how to program ATM. I'm not going to explain the terminology. It's more of just showing you the programming, the settings. If you have a particular question, go ahead and ask it down in the comments and I'll get back to you. I'm just trying to show you how to program the ATM to get you to the welcome screen so you can get the ATM inside a business or making some cash. I am going to go a little bit into the different settings like balance option, language, welcome. There's so many settings I can go into, but this is just for the Inhand when you're using Switchcommerce and a Genmega. So let's get to the video. So these are going to be the settings for when you use Inhand and Switchcommerce. You can go to op. You're going to enter your master password. It's going to be default 555-555. You can go to ATM op in the lower right hand corner. So to give you a little bit of history, I completely wiped out this ATM. The only thing I did before this video is enter the master key A and B, so it's already set. And I'm gonna show you how to program it. So I'm gonna start on the top right hand corner. You're gonna go to customer setup. You're gonna go to surcharge mode. You're gonna change owner. You can either put your company's name or owner. For this video, I'm just gonna put owner. And you're going to use a keypad to do that. Once you has owner or your business name, the Genmega requires you to put a name there compared to the Hyosun where it's already default as owner. So right here we're going to cancel. It says cancel to return, so we're going to cancel. And we're going to change processor on the lower left hand corner. And you're going to press communication all the way until you get Visa frame. So it says Visa frame TCP IP. Once it says that, you can press cancel. This is it for change processor. And this is going to be it for customer setup. There's additional functions right here where you can transfer to credit, balance option. These are just default, but you can also change it. You can cancel return, cancel to return. Going back up to customer setup, you can change the message right here. You can put welcome to this liquor store. You can change the receipt. There's different options. You can put your business number, business website, business IG on these right here. I'm gonna go back to return. So we're back to the main home screen. So we just finished customer setup. We're going to enter system setup. Right here, language. We can add Spanish since we're in Los Angeles. Korean, French, why not? We can enable it. And then we can go change password. In order for the ATM to be in the welcome home screen, you need to change the master password. So I'll change the master password. To get to the welcome home screen, you do not need to change operator and service. Only master password is required. So that's it for system setup. We can cancel. So we finished customer setup, system setup. Now we're going to enter the most important one. The way you know you have the master password to the ATM is if you have host setup. If you do not have, if you enter a password and it does not come up, that means it's not the master password. So host setup, key management. I already entered master key A and B before this video. Terminal number, we're going to change right now. We're going to start with routing ID. Routing ID is going to be 1, 2, 3, SC. So for the S is the number 7, so you click 7 a couple times. And C is the number 2, so we're going to press number 2 a couple times. We're going to press 1, 0, 1. Once it's like that, 1, 2, 3, SC, 101, that's going to be for Switchcommerce, the routing ID. Once you have that, you're going to press enter. And you're going to cancel to return. And we're going to go to health check. And we're going to enable this by pressing the top left button. And right now it has default as 2 intervals. I like to have it in every hour for it to communicate. So we press 1, Then for health check door, this is to communicate where the vault door is actually open. We're going to enable it. Once you have that, you're going to go cancel out. For the next one is going to be host IP address. And we're going to start with host IP number 1 on the top left hand side. And it's going to be 192.168.1.90. And a tip for the dot is you double tap 0 and then it's going to be the dot right there. So 168, you're going to double tap 0. It's going to be the dot 1.90. And you're going to press enter. And it automatically is going to do that for host IP address number 2, which is fine. So the next one is going to be change host port number 1. Is going to be 7003. So once you have this, you can cancel. And the next one is going to be the terminal ID number. So for this one, I'm gonna put my terminal ID number, which is going to be GM04105. So this is the terminal ID number that my own processor gave me. You're going to have, this is going to be different for every single one of your ATMs and for everyone, just because it's personalized to your ATM to identify it to which business it is, a barbershop, nail salon, liquor store. That's the terminal ID number. Once you have that, you're going to press enter to save it, and then you're going to press cancel to return. So we've done all these. Key management, terminal number. We're going to press cancel. And we're going to go to settlement. This is where you put how much money it is. You're going to set cassette. For me, I'm going to tell the ATM that it has $2,000. So it's going to be 100 times 20, which is 2,000. You're going to press enter, and then you're going to cancel to return. And you can see that it saves right there. So the next step, as far as right now, we're completely finished on programming the ATM, but I'm gonna show you transaction setup right here. You can change the dispense limit, the denomination, fast cash if you want to do 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 140, 200. You have the option to do that. So I finished programming this ATM. So I'm going to cancel all the way out, and it should go to the welcome screen. And if you miss a step, it's going to show you the error code. For example, if you didn't change the master password, it's going to tell you that you need to change it. So when you're programming ATM and you think you forgot a step, you can always cancel back, and it's going to show you what's missing, because it's not going to go to the home screen unless it's completely programmed. So as far as right here, it's completely programmed. As you can see, it went to the welcome screen and it just a health check. So this was for the Inhand when you're processing through Switch Commerce. So if you use Inhand modems, this is a step-by-step process on how to do it. So what I like more than seeing my transactions come through is seeing other people win. So if you want to start your own ATM business, please email me. If you want to buy one, please email me. I'll get back to you right away. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Out.